Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a video of me trying to make my chapatis. I hope you stay tuned and enjoy. Please subscribe, like, and share, and also comment. I really appreciate it. All right, guys, thank you. Stay tuned. Hi guys, so Marianne here. Today I'm going to try and attempt to make my first chapati. Yeah, I'm a 34-year-old, doesn't know how to make chapati yet, but today I'm willing to challenge myself. Yes. Wish me luck. Bye. The 1 cup of water here. 1 cup of water is going to be boiling here. I've grated the carrot inside. My 3 cups of flour. I did some carrots. Yeah, and 1 cup of flour. So these are 3 cups of flour, 1.5 small carrots, grated carrots, and then I'm gonna use the 1 tablespoon of salt mixed with a bit of sugar. I believe my water is warm here. I'm gonna just remove it. It's not that hot. Okay, this is going to be my mixer for the dry ingredients before I put the water, the warm water. This is inspired by Phil's kitchen. I'm going to be using her recipe, the method she uses here. So that's what I'm following. She just made with 4 ingredients. The only thing that I've added is the carrots and sugar. Everything else is from her. Just gonna give this a mix. With my hands, and then I'm going to add this warm water. So I'm just going to wash my hands. Always dread it making food. And it's so much work. It doesn't work. Remember guys, it's my first attempt. So see the judgments. I'm going to impress my mama. She makes the best chapatis, and she also makes them with atta, that's brown flour. But here is the hardest to make with chapatis. But she makes the best chapatis. I'm gonna try it. I've had to add some flour because the dough was too sticky. Give this chapati my best. This here is some ants. I'm fighting this basic. I hope you can hear me, guys. Such a little person. I've added some. Let me see. You don't want to see. What? I forgot to add oil. Please. I should add oil.
Oil. I'm just going ahead to add that to our sticky dough. And I'm going to use my hands to continue kneading this until everything let this rest for about 10 minutes. And our dough has been resting. As you can see, it's not sticky anymore. And also the rest is being
Oh, guys, that was nice.
once you're done spreading the oil on the dough, just going to
After oil.
So next this transfer it to our working space.
My
Go
dough
ahead
is
and cut it into
intact.
small balls. So this basically gives you about
I'm
8
going to
to
leave it
9
for about
chapati.
10
Just to know
minutes.
if you want more, you can always double.
This is how my dough looks like. So I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. As the recipe says, I'm going to cover it with this for 10 minutes. Then I'll come back and work on it here. So yeah, my 10 minutes are over. I hear the dough by this time is soft, and indeed it's very soft. So you're going to remove it from here and place it on this. I'm going to be rolling. Excuse my mess, but this is how a first attempt of anything looks like. So I'm just going to bring this here, my dough here. I'm not quite sure where many of us do. Keep goods. Alright, so I make the ball like that. Cut it into 4 pieces.
So next we just transfer it to our working space. You just go ahead and cut it into small equal balls. So this recipe gives you about 8 to 9 chapatis. Just to know if you want more, you can always double. All equal balls. So this recipe gives you about just take each cut dough and then just use your hands to form the balls. The way I'm doing it here. Once you're done, put that aside and go to our next step. And our balls are ready. And also here I have some extra all-purpose flour. But at this point, the chef just makes
At
sure
this
that
point,
it's
I'm
really
so proud of
flat
myself.
so that the dough is not sticking to your surface
Yeah,
and
right.
comfortable dough.
I feel like I've watched my mom when she does this. She'll put another tray here, and then she'll cover them so they don't get too exposed as you roll them. So that's what. So I'll change them to this tray. I'm going to put them in the tray, and I'm just gonna cover them up. I just remembered I have to go get my daughter from school. So yeah, I'm gonna hurry. So I'm back, guys. Now it's time to roll. This is the hardest part. I've cleaned up my place and I've placed my pan on the stove, but it's not lit yet. I'm going to do that after I'm done rolling. Make eight chapatis according to how you cut them. If you want to make more, you make double them, the amount of flour and everything else that I flour on the rolling plate so that the dough doesn't stick on there. I'm going to start with this one. I'm sorry guys, but you have to see me rolling from further. So this is my first step of rolling. So yeah, may the force be with me.
Nice oval shape. So at this
Just try to make a to roll it, so just spread some oil.
Next, you're going to spread some oil. So for this recipe, I'm using vegetable oil. So just take about a teaspoon of that oil and spread it on one side of the rolled dough. Then you're going to take the rolled dough and
Out of
you're
form.
going to dip it on the surface of the ingredients here. This is just
Wow.
to make it
Alright,
so once you're done spreading the oil on your dough, just going to roll it the way I'm doing
I'm going to roll it.
So just roll it
I promise the
inwards
second
so
dough
all
will be better
down.
than this. This was a joke.
Going to take the
I'm
rolled
just,
dough and you're going
and
to
it's because she
place
said
it on the
it doesn't matter how you
surface
make
here.
this.
This is just to make it I know some of you find it hard to get the round shapes, but the trick is make sure you spread enough flour on your plate. Process with the other remaining rolls. Here, I'm going to take the rolled dough and I'm going to heat it on top of the surface of the ingredients here. This is just to make it longer. Next, we create a coil shape. So just take one end of the rolled dough and then you're just going to spiral that until the end. Once you're done, you place it aside and continue the same process with the other remaining rolls.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend.
Hey,
Too scared now, thinking I should
What?
call up all night.
I can't hear you.
I think it's hard how we always wait another day.
So far, so good. I felt like I spent
How we
an hour on
watch
this.
the kids walk away.
Anyway, yeah. Maroka. Ina yako mama pia wewe kule kitari kiani. Ndikiona. my video. I already put it here. Okay. It was so thin. I'm going to use this spatula. It was too difficult. Oh, mwanaume. Asha. Ugwe kate. Yes? Asha, I can't see right now. At this point, my mama was teaching me and at this point, I felt like a pro because I had started rolling again. I was putting it on a pan. Oh, masha. I need to move my table. The secret right here is to let one side cook as much as it should before you turn it, because the other turning will be with oil and they have to cook first. So go in with the turn. Not yet. It's not yet cooked. So far so good. Look at these chapatis I made, guys. I was really proud of myself at this point. So for those who are aspiring to do this as well, be encouraged and do it, no matter the age. Let's go, people. Draw a boy. This time, gotta see I'm proud of myself.
Doggy, 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 doggy.
This one is going to be layered. Layered chapati. A layered chapati.
Looky, looky, loggy, loggy.
Not a log. Okay. Layered chapati. It's very yummy. It's too salty. And that's on my first attempt of making chapati or paratha. And I can say I'm really proud of myself. This was good. Mom supported in some way. With some advice. Hands-on when I was cooking them. She made me learn something, 1 or 2 things that I will take with me to the next step. And I'm looking forward to do this more. Thanks for watching. I hope those who are afraid out there to do their first time to do chapati, it's not that hard, girls and men, gentlemen. Yeah, we can do this. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys for staying thus far. I really did my best. I hope you do it yourself. For those who are willing to try, it's their first time. Be encouraged. See ya. The next one. People really enjoyed my chapatis, as you can see. Later, guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. See you on the
Movie.